Hello viewers, today we are dealing with the biosynthesis of non-essential amino acids. Among the non-essential amino acids, glutamate is obtained by reductive amination of alpha-ketoglutarate and works as the precursor of glutamine, proline and arginine. Alanine, aspartate and asparagine are synthesized from transamination of pyruvate and oxaloacetate. Serine is obtained from 3-phosphoglycerate and is a precursor of glycine. In bacteria, cysteine is produced from serine and from sulfide produced by the reduction of environmental sulfate. Mammals produce cysteine from methionine and serine. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.